This presentation will outline the Reignite Action for Development, Design Area 1, Water Supply. Due to the rapid growth in the population of Bambui, an increased amount of stress has been put on the community's infrastructure. The increased population has resulted in a lack of water supply to each of the members of the community. In an effort to resolve this problem, an improved water supply is needed. Collectively, it was decided that in order to keep costs and maintenance low, the current water supply system would be improved upon. This includes the introduction of 3 more tanks which will draw water from currently unused water supplies. This will help to increase the amount of water that is delivered to Bambui. Pictured is a 3-dimensional representation of Bambui and its mountain ranges. The mountain ranges pictured are the main source of water for the community of Bambui. The highest of the mountains peaks at 1,910 meters above sea level, which is an elevation of 670 meters from the lowest ground level of 1,240 meters above sea level. Here is the water tank arrangement. There are 3 tanks located within roughly 120 meters from each other. The tanks shown will have polyethylene piping connecting them with the 11 natural springs located nearby. Locations of the springs are not provided due to the absence of accurate location. However, a hand-drawn sketch of these locations has been provided. Here is the hand-drawn water supply map provided by the Reignite program. Whilst not overly accurate, the map provides information about the rough location of the water sources. To the top right of the map is the springs. The springs are outlined by the green rings and their flow indicated by the red line. Each of the springs shown is to be connected to a tank via piping, with each tank receiving water from either 3 or 4 of the springs. To the west of the springs is the stream. Here is the tank responsible for the storage of water of the stream. Here on the map, the stream is indicated by the blue ring and its flow is given by the black line. As shown as the map, this water source is used to provide water to the section of the town that the springs do not reach. Shown is the design of each of the tanks, all of which have the same design. The tanks were designed to achieve 200 cubic meters of volume. The tanks have a radius of 3 meters and a height of 7.1 meters. The tanks will be constructed of concrete, and the piping used to connect the water sources to the tanks will be made from polyethylene. Due to the tanks being situated on a slope, the tanks themselves have to be dug into the earth in such a way that they are able to sit flat. Thank you for listening to this presentation.